playing Dublin's 98 FM.
Good morning, everybody. I'm vlogging again today. I'm just out of the shower. I didn't wash my hair today because I washed it the other day. Alexa, volume down. So noisy. Yeah, so I'm just out of the shower and I filled in my eyebrows and put a little bit of mascara on and lip gloss. My eyebrows are looking so bad lately. I'm going for breakfast this morning. Well, that was a great start to vlog and my camera just died. Luckily, I had an extra battery. So I'm getting ready anyway to go for breakfast. Then I'm going down to Ruth to visit her. I'm so excited. She had her 12-week scan yesterday, so I'm really excited to see her. And what else am I doing today? I don't think I'm doing much else. I'm taking the day off work today because I just have been like working a lot the last few days, like up till late at night. So I was like, no, I'm gonna take today off because I'll work on Saturday. No, I won't be working on Saturday because I have Neve's birthday. No, do you know what? I'll do all my work tomorrow. I'll just work late and finish everything. I saw a lot of comments in my last video about my skincare routine. So many of you guys are like, your skin looks great. My skin actually feels so good right now. Like, it's so good. Do you know what it is? It's from like the sun. It's just, I don't know, it clears up your skin. It just makes it feel really nice because I have nothing but moisturizer. Well, actually, I have moisturizer and this primer on. Hang on. This primer. It's from the Natural collection. It's that primer. It's the Hydration Radiance primer. I really like that, so I usually mix that in with my moisturizer. And the moisturizer that I use is the Kiehl's moisturizer, that one there. I absolutely love it. I'll link that product down below because it's actually so good. But yeah, that's all I've been doing is just moisturizing my skin, seeing a little bit of the sun and putting a bit of mascara and brows on, and you're good to go. Oh, and glass. I will show you like through the vlogs like stuff that I do. Maybe I'll show you like what I do at night. Maybe tonight I'll show you like my cleansing routine because I suppose there's kind of a few steps to that. So thank you so much guys for the beautiful compliments on my skin. That's made my whole entire day. Also, thank you so much guys for watching my last vlog and all the feedback that you guys gave me on that. You seem to be really loving the new vlogs and that I've like made a return to them. I put them obviously on my main channel because I'm not using my vlog channel anymore because I just want to put everything on the one channel. It's quite confusing, and I just feel like as the years go on, makeup will probably like dwindle a little bit, and I want to include like more lifestyle and nutrition and vlogs and stuff, and that's just the route that I wanted to take since last November. I said I kind of wanted to revamp my channel, and it's just kind of like going that way now. It's just taking a while because it's not something like you do overnight, and you know, you just have to do what's natural, I guess, for your channel and just kind of like go with the flow and not force anything, because if you're forcing content, it's just not going to feel organic and it's just not going to feel natural and you're just not going to want to do it. So I'm just going to do what kind of comes to mind. Bring you shopping, bring you cooking, you know, the usual. And also I have read some of your comments like from you guys been like, oh, it's okay, like you don't have to like share too much of your private life. Like I really appreciate when you guys say that because it just takes a little bit of stress off me. Like you don't need to know every little detail about me. I know you guys probably want to, and that's like the appeal of a vlog, but I've just never been one of those people ever in my life to be like, okay, so this has happened, that's happening, blah blah blah. Like I know I tell you guys little like bits and pieces, but I'm still quite private, and it's like it's not a natural thing for me to be like divulging too much information. But you will get drips and drops of stuff as you watch the vlog. I am actually on cloud 9. Like my life could not be better. It couldn't be better, guys. So thank you so much for like your concern. I really appreciate that. You're so sweet. But I am like doing the best I've ever done in my whole life, so I thought that might be a little bit of a life update for you guys. Okay, so we're in the car, we're going to lunch. I'm starving. A lot of people ask me actually about these Ray-Bans. These are the Justins or the 4165s. They're like my favorite sunglasses ever, but they're not prescription, and I have my other ones are prescription. I can see through these. Obviously I wouldn't be driving if I couldn't, but they don't have a prescription in them, which I would prefer if they did because it just makes it so much easier when I'm driving. I have like the lightest prescription. I think I'm like minus 0.75 in this eye and minus 1.0, so I'm not blind, but I do need glasses to see like the TV. I'm starving. I'm so excited because I think I'm gonna get like avocado and bacon or something yummy like that. How is you guys' Thursday going? Have you anything exciting planned for the weekend? I am so excited for this weekend because I'm going to a barbecue on Sunday. Very exciting. And I'm also going to the Lion King on Monday. Like, I am living for the Lion King. The last premiere I went to see was Aladdin. I always, like, I get invited to the premieres and I'm always like so appreciative of them, but I don't always like have time to make it to every single one. But I make sure that I'm at the Disney ones. I'm like, yeah, I'll be at the Disney ones. Let's be fair, they are the best ones. I'm dying for this avocado now. Yeah, avocado on toast with bacon. That just sounds epic right now. Oh my god, this car is making a weird noise. Hang on, I don't think the handbrake's up properly. That's not my car. I thought that was my car and I was like, no, it's the car behind me. Oh my god, that would be really, really weird if my car was making that odd of a noise. Okay, right, I will talk to you after lunch, breakfast, whatever the hell I'm going for. Brunch. It's called just brunch. Back in car after having lunch like hours ago. It's like 6 o'clock now and I'm heading down to Ruth and Clark. I just had to come home because a package arrived for me and I had to pick it up, and it's stuff from Penny, so I will show you guys that when I'm home because there's actually really cute things. It's Disney and Penny's and there's just really, really cute bits in there. Oh, but you guys might want to see some of the stuff, so I need to go get diesel right now, and then it's still 20 degrees, would you believe, at like 6 o'clock in the evening. I need to go get flowers for Ruth. My phone is acting up so bad. I don't know what's wrong with it. Every single time I go onto my phone it starts like freezing and it's just like not performing for me. It's very irritating because if I'm trying to like listen to music and stuff it's like freezing, and then if I'm trying to like look at Instagram it's like freezing as well. I think my memory might be full because I keep getting a notification on my laptop about my iCloud, so I'm suspecting that might be why the phone is kind of, I don't know. But then if your iCloud's full, like, would that slow down your phone? Surely not, because that would slow down your iPad then and your computer and everything. And my iCloud, because it is full, it's not syncing my iPad and my iPhone together, which is really annoying, like my apps, because I would go into like an app on my iPhone and then go onto the app on my iPad and it would like sync it up and it would remember it. So I need to definitely update my iCloud memory, because I did see, who was it? Was it Carly Bible or someone was saying that she lost her phone or her phone broke or something, and then when she went to restore everything was lost because she didn't have enough iCloud memory. And I was just like, I do not want that to happen to me. So that's like a fair warning to everyone out there. Update your iCloud storage. I think I have like the 99cent whatever one that is a month, so I'm on like the lowest plan, so I could probably go up to the next one, but I have like 7,000 or 8,000 pictures in my phone because I just have had the same, well, not the same phone, but I've had an iPhone since like for the last, I don't know, 8 years maybe. So I've had all the same photos go onto it every single time, and then I've like tons and tons and tons of videos and stuff on it. So I think I need to update my storage. Okay, so flowers. Maybe I'll get some chocolates as well for Ruth. And what else will I get? Well, I need diesel because I have literally 25 miles in my tank and that ain't gonna get me to Ruth's house. Traffic, come on. I'm having a really bad day. Not a bad day, but I'm like really moody today, you know, and you just like, I think it's just that time of the month. It's just making me so moody and I just feel like I want to cry and then want to have an outburst of anger at the same time. I'm just kind of like irritable. That's the word I'm looking for. I am irritable and this traffic is not helping the sitch. Do you know, I really need a holiday. I actually need a holiday so bad, or just like a trip down the country even for like 3 or 4 days or something, anything. I just need like time out. I really, really do. I'm like craving it. Just putting that into the universe that I want like a holiday or a few days off to just relax, recuperate, recharge the batteries. Let's go. Universe, you're going to solve that for me. Also, I met my auntie when I was, just before I went for breakfast, brunch, lunch, whatever this morning, and it's my uncle's 60th birthday today. Is it today or tomorrow? But she showed us the cake. It's so cool. He does the tours around Ireland. So obviously they start in Dublin and then they go like wherever, like off to the Cliffs of Moher and anywhere around Ireland. He drives the tour buses, and she got like a cake with the tricolour on it and like a little leprechaun and like his bus. I just thought it was so cute, and he's gonna get it tonight, so it doesn't matter that I'm saying this because by the time this vlog goes up, people have seen his cake. But it was the most adorable cake ever. I'll put like a little clip of it in here because I just thought it was so cool, and she put like a lot of thought into it, and I just thought the cake turned out really, really well. So I think I'll probably end up going out to my uncle tomorrow to see him for his birthday. But he'll have his cake tonight, so great, and I won't get to have a bit of that because it looked so nice. Alright guys, I'm gonna just go refuel the car, drive down to Ruth, and I will check in with you guys later on because I obviously don't want to be like vlogging when I'm down there. I just want to kind of spend some time with my friends, and I'll talk to you all later on. Oh, I got Ruth some flowers. These are so beautiful. I kind of want them myself. I'm gonna bring them into her now. I've just arrived, so I can't wait to see her. Oh god, guys, I look like absolute crap. I've been sick in bed with a migraine. I can't even talk. With a migraine for the last 2 days. I'm so sick. I want to finish up the vlog now. I was down with Ruth and Clark last. I was talking to you down the country, and now I'm in bed sick. I'm so sorry I sound like this and look like this. Yeah, it's gonna be so fun, and I have to go to a barbecue tomorrow. Yeah, that's gonna be really exciting. Anyway, these are the things that Penny sent me. So they sent me out this lovely like little card, just kind of with a really nice little message on it. And then these are the products that were inside. I got really excited when I seen these because they're all Disney themed. I'm not going to be able to go through everything because just my voice is really, really bad. So they sent me out these lovely eyelashes. These are duo lash sets, and they have the good versus evil, and it's obviously Ariel and Ursula. And they're just what they look like, which I think they're really nice. Like there's these kind of like wispy ones. I might actually wear them tomorrow to the barbecue. Hopefully I'm a little bit better, not as worse for wear. Then they sent me out the Little Mermaid perfume. I can't actually smell this because like I said, I'm kind of recovering from a migraine, really bad migraine. Like migraine where you're almost like puking everywhere. But look at the bottle. Isn't it just so pretty? And it's in like a shell with glitter on it. It just looks so nice. And they sent me out this Island Escape Face and Body Glow bronzer. I thought this looked really cool. It's a tweezer set, but look at the like the shape of the tweezers. It's like a fin. It's so cool. Ocean Feels, it says. I just thought that's really cool. It's like holographic. And they sent me out this Desert Queen eyeshadow palette, which I'll open for you in a minute. And then this Double Take. The other two things that they sent me for the face are these two bronzers. So they're both like ombre bronzers. We have one called Tequila Sunrise and the other one is called Heatwave. And they sent me out this really cute beauty blender, guys. Look how sweet it is. It's mini and it's a blending sponge, and that's what it looks like. I'm not sure what it's going to be like, but I will try all these out in a video. They sent me out this Tropical Sunrise Body Mist. Again, I haven't smelled this, but my mum said it smells amazing. She was spraying it. She said it smelled absolutely lovely. And then they sent me out a face mask, which would come in so handy. Obviously this is Princess Jasmine. I get migraines quite regularly. This is probably the worst one that I've had now. I've had it since Friday. It's obviously Saturday today, but I've had it like all weekend, and I'm just kind of recovered now, and it's like 8 o'clock in the evening. But I'm still not well. But anyway, I wear eye masks a lot when I'm sleeping and stuff, and especially if I have migraine, because it just blacks out the room if I have it during the day. I have blackout curtains, but just sometimes this actually helps more. So this is really, really cute. And then a hairbrush. Look, it's a little Minnie Mouse hairbrush. I absolutely love hairbrushes. I have so many of them. I'm addicted to buying them because I'm like, yeah, I need this one, need that one. That's only $3.50, which I think is quite good for a really nice hairbrush like that. And then this is the inside of those palettes. So it's supposed to be kind of like a take on, I think, the Urban Decay palette. Do you remember they had that one? What the hell was it called? Back Talk palette, I think it was called. This one has like a bronzer highlight and blush, and then eyeshadows on the other side, but they're all shimmery. I don't know if this is all shimmery as well. Oh, this is actually quite nice. I really like this. So there's loads of different colours in this. There's like yellows and oranges and everything in this. So that looks really, really pretty. I'd like to try that out, I think, on my channel. I'll probably give both of them a go, to be fair, but this one looks really pretty. Anyway, I want to say a huge thank you and shout out to Pennings. I'm so sorry guys that I look like something that died. But I'm gonna love yous and leave yous, and I'm gonna talk to you all in my next video. I feel like crap. I love you so much. Bye.